Get ready for the ultimate student living experience in the vibrant city of London, and Don Gratton House is your front row ticket to it all. Nestled in the beating heart of London, Don Gratton House emerges as a beacon of student living excellence, offering a variety of apartments including chic, fully furnished ensuite apartments, each featuring a private bedroom adorned with the essentials to make your living space uniquely yours. But hold on, at Don Gratton House, your apartment doesn't end at your front door. Work remotely or gather up a gang for laughter in the common room, and when the weather's on your side, soak up the sun on the rooftop terrace, perfect for a moment of peace with your morning coffee. Free high-speed Wi-Fi helps you juggle your academics alongside your entertainment needs, and with on-site laundry facilities, you don't ever have to worry about keeping your favorite outfits fresh and clean. Located just a 6-minute walk from Queen Mary University, Whitechapel, and 7 minutes from Glasgow, Caledonian University, London campus, Don Gratton House is the go-to for students seeking comfort and convenience. Navigating the city is a breeze with the Alta Alley Park bus stop just moments away. Need groceries? Tesco Express have you covered for your midweek essentials, and a weekend treat, indulge in some delectable delights at Olives and Oregano, London. Take advantage of this incredible student living experience. Secure your spot at Don Gratton House today by visiting amberstudent.com.